Stella here. Today we are going to learn how to move our EOS that's stuck in Coinbase to buy LNX for the new LYNX chain that just launched a few weeks ago. You will need to download the Wombat wallet because LYNX wallet has stopped creating EOS accounts. So Wombat is really your best bet because it's free. You don't need to have CPU to buy your LYNX tokens on Newdex or anything. So it's actually the easiest way to buy the new LYNX tokens. I use an iPhone and a mobile Wombat app for this tutorial. The first thing you're going to do is I chose to log in with my Google account. Just choose a random Google account. It doesn't have to be your, primary one. Just use any Google account. And so you're going to sign in with either your Google, Twitter, or there was another option. Anyway, choose one of those. And the next thing you're going to do is it's going to require you to back up your keys somewhere. So I just chose Google Drive. It forces you to do this. You have to do it. So just decide what you're going to do. And then, so you have to log in with your existing Google account. So after you do that, you hit done or allow. Okay. So you have your keys backed up. Now you're going to set up a code for the Wombat wallet. So make sure and write this down. Now here's the part where you're going to create your EOS account name. Now it has to be 12 characters long and it has to be all lowercase, and you can use, I think, numbers 1 through 5. So it will check for you automatically, and this account name is available, so that's why it says your EOS account name in green. So this is the account name, your EOS account that you will be sending your EOS from Coinbase to this account. It's yours, not mine, of course. It is the EOS account that you just created. So in EOS, you can send your EOS from Coinbase, and when you put the two in Coinbase, when you're putting the account that you want to send it to, put that account name that you just created in Wombat. That is your EOS account that you're going to be sending your EOS to. Now, only send a tiny amount as a test for the very first time you do this. Do not send a large amount. So, once you have successfully sent a little EOS to your new Wombat EOS account, then you can send more, but please do not send a bunch in the beginning. That is that's like the basics. You always want to test everything out and then proceed. Okay, so I'm not going to run through the Coinbase stuff because you probably already know how to send EOS from Coinbase to a different EOS account. So that's what you're going to do. Um, there's tons of tutorials on that topic. So I don't think there's any on this. So when you're ready to go and you have successfully sent some EOS from Coinbase to your Wombat EOS account, you're going to check in there. Hey, do I have any? Yes, I have 0.4 EOS. And you're going to click browse at the bottom of Wombat, that button, browse. That will take you to the different sections, and that's where you want to click on Newdex, because Newdex is the exchange that has LYNX tokens, the new LYNX, LNX. That's what we're talking about. So after you find the Newdex, there it is. You click on that, it takes you directly to the exchange. Okay, we are now in Newdex inside of our Wombat wallet. It's really kind of crazy, but it's like the new internet or something. So you're going to scroll down and click View More once you get into the Newdex DApp. All right, so you click on View More, And that brings us to this little section on at the top, EOS SIDE. Okay, because LYNXCHAIN is technically a side chain of EOS, but okay, so they put all the different EOS chains under EOS SIDE. So after you click EOS SIDE, then you will click on links. So let's check that out. It's on the far right. You will see it light up once we click it, and there it is. Okay, after you click that, it brings up LNX and your EOS pair. So you're going to click the buy button down below, the green button there. So this is the trickiest part. You must have a LYNXCHAIN account, not an EOS Wombat account here. You are going to manually put in your LYNXCHAIN account. Now, if you're confused whether you have a LYNXCHAIN account or not, go to your Lynx wallet and it must look like mine. Look at the icon and look at your name. Does it match mine? Does it look similar? Does it have the same LYNXCHAIN icon? If it does not, then you do not have a LYNXCHAIN account and you should stop this tutorial and you should not proceed. Okay, in this field, you're going to put how many LYNX tokens you want to buy. Now, please do a test. Just buy 2 or 3. Very small amount, because we're going to check and see if it landed in your LYNX wallet. So I chose 3. I want to buy 3 LNX tokens, which is not very much in there. My LYNXCHAIN account is Stella, so I put Stella in there. Please do not put Stella in there because you're going to be putting your own LYNXCHAIN account. Now, don't mess this up, people, because you have to do this right. You will lose your money. You must create a LYNXCHAIN account to send it, the LNX, to your LYNXCHAIN account. I know it's really confusing, but okay, so after you hit buy, it should say entrust succeeded. That's what you want to see. So that's what you have to understand. You must create a LYNXCHAIN Lynx account. And if you do not understand this part of it, then don't proceed because you will lose your money. That wraps it up for today. If you have any trouble, you should probably go to the Telegram channel for LYNXCHAIN to get help. I will see you next time. Goodbye.